What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Time for the big video. So time for the Spigen collection. They hooked it up big time this time because we've got 7 cases right here. They also sent me some Buds 3 Pro cases. The Buds 3 aren't here right now. And they also sent over 2 wallets. They will be coming in a short. So get ready for those because one of them's pretty special because obviously, I don't know whether you know this, Caseology is now gone, but Caseology was Spigen's sister company anyway, and Spigen have incorporated some cases into the lineup. So what they sent me over, we've got the black Ultra Hybrid, we've got the clear Ultra Hybrid, we've got the Thin Fit, we've got Tough Armor, we've got the other Ultra Hybrid everyone's going crazy for. We've got Rugged Armor, which is also one of the Buds 3 Pro cases, and my favourite case of all time, the case that this channel is probably known for. It's the Blueberry Navy Nano Pop case that used to be from Caseology. This is now Spigen. Let's get into it. I'm going to open all of these up, show you all the cases, we'll weigh them, put them on the foam, and all of these, by the way, are MagSafe cases. So let's just go ahead, let's get in. Okay, so there we go. All the 7 cases lined up right here. Let me know which one you would go for first of all. Let me know which one you'd pick. But I'm going to start off, let's start off with the Tough Armor. So, the yellow, like sort of cushion inside, the MagSafe logo in the middle. Tough Armor MagFit wrote just on this part right here. Good, nice hard shell. Volume up and down on this side with your power button indented in, and it says Tough Armor MagFit on the side of the case right there too. So let's go ahead and grab the S25 Ultra. Let's slap this in. And there we go. So there we go, there's the Tough Armor MagFit with the S25 Ultra, and of course you get the little kickstand on the bottom. So you can go ahead and place it down, watch your content. Cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, so you can go ahead and place it down, and then you've got a massive lip running all the way around the front of the screen. Now I do have a screen protector on this, and it does actually sit over. So let's go ahead and bring in the scale, and let's do a weight test. So let's go ahead. So let's go first of all, Thin Fit case. It's 42 grams for the Thin Fit. Okay, so the Rugged Armor is 48 grams. The Neo 1 Clear is 46. The 01 edition is 48 or 40, it's fluctuating there. 46. Ultra Hybrid Clear with the MagSafe logo. 46. My favourite, Nano Pop. 46. And the Tough Armor is 59. So now if we go back and now let's weigh it up. It's 289, so it's got some heft to it, and it does feel a little bit weighty. That. Put this out the way just for now, and I'll bring it back in and we'll weigh each of them with the S25 Ultra inside. I have MagSafe, and this will work a little better because you don't have like an outline. It sits flush because there's no like indent for the cameras, like it doesn't protrude out, so it actually sits flush, and it ain't coming off. I mean, that is on there well, but the only thing is, I mean, it wipes off, but it left like a couple of little marks on there. But there we go, Tough Armor case. That's the Tough Armor, so let's carry on going. Let's go with the Ultra Hybrid Clear. Okay, and this one obviously is going to show off the colour of your phone. I went with the titanium silver blue for mine, but it looks really, really good. Again, the cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, and they've got like a little bit of an extra lip running around the edge of the screen. Yeah, it sits above the screen, so you can place it face down and not have to worry about it. But that is a nice clear case. Let's check buttons. Nice and clicky, exactly what we were after. And you got that bump protection just on each corner to aid for the air cushion technology to aid in drop protection. You got a lanyard loop on this side, and of course all your ports are nice and protected because they're actually bedded down into there. And it says got the Spigen logo on this side. So if we bring in, and that's 276 on the Ultra Hybrid. And then if we go ahead and we slap on the MagSafe battery pack, I know it's an Apple one, but either way, and then shake test. So it's slipped ever so slightly, but it hasn't come off, so it does slide about. And obviously I'm saving my favourite until the last. So let's go with thin fit. So the thin fit has got like a bumper running all the way around the edge of the phone. There you go. So there is the thin fit case. Let me know what you think of that one, but you got again lip running all the way around the edge of the cameras, and yeah, a raised lip all the way around the edge of the screen. So you can go ahead and place it down, and again not have to worry about it. But if we go ahead and slap on the battery pack, now this one looks like it doesn't sit flush, but it's not coming off with the shake test. It is on there really well, and you just had that click when it come off then. But yeah, it looks good. And then nice and clicky on the buttons. And if we do the weight test, 271 grams with the S25 Ultra. So there we go. So there is the ultra thin with the like sort of like a silicone bumper running around the edge of it. Looks good in the black with the Spigen logo on the bottom. No other logos anywhere, and of course all your ports are indented in. We'll go for the ultra rugged. I do actually like this one because of the carbon fibre accents. You've got carbon on the bottom, carbon across the top, and like a nice grip in the middle. There's grippy texture on the outer edge here, so you can hold your phone properly. Cutouts on the top for your mics. Grip on this side. All your cutouts on the bottom are all nicely raised and indented in. Let's do the nice and clicky. That's what you want. So let's go ahead and bring that on. The rugged armour is 278 grams. So there it is, the rugged armour. Carbon fibre on the top, on the bottom. Again, cameras are nice and protected, and there's a lip around the front of the screen. And of course, if we go ahead and slap this on. Ow. So that one came off. So I think that might have something to do with the grippy textured back. But it looks good, and it just slipped off ever so slightly there, but looks great. Looks like a great case, and I think if you had it on a stand or whatever, you're not going to have that issue. You're not going to be throwing your MagSafe case around like this, are you, doing all this crazy stuff? So I wouldn't worry too much about that one. Okay, let's go with the 01 edition. There's the 01 edition. Now, you may remember a while ago, I think it was the S25 Ultra case we done it for. We fitted the MagSafe ring, and that video took off. I mean, the views on that video were unreal. And just because we fitted the MagSafe ring to this case, and then Spigen come out on the S24 Ultra, I think they actually done it for the S23 Ultra in the end. I'm sure they fitted the MagSafe ring on the back. But there we go. They've finally done it. Well, they've done it anyway. They were doing it no matter what. But let's go ahead and take this off. There we go. So nice design texture on the back. Nice sort of shiny sides. Not too slippy. Nice tactile buttons. All your cutouts again. All your cutouts are nice and recessed in. Go for the weight test. 275 grams on the 01. Let's go ahead and slap on a battery pack. I can hear it wanting to slip. But again, you're not going to go around throwing your MagSafe case. Cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, so you don't have to worry there. And there is a lip again running around the front of the phone, and I do have a screen protector on, like I've said previously. Protection cases from Spigen. Absolutely fantastic. And now let's go for the case that everyone is going crazy for, is the Neo 1. I mean, everyone is going nuts for this case right now. I don't know why, but I mean, it looks good, don't get me wrong. I think it's because so many people are actually showing this off with it being like a nice clear case. Let's go ahead and take that off. I mean, that, okay, I get it. I do get it. I mean, that looks good. Shows all the internal workings of the phone. Yeah, that does look really good. I do actually like that. For a clear case, I can't see that scratching off. I think it is on there pretty well. But the amount that I rotate my cases, I mean, it's not too much of a big deal for me. Spigen logo on the bottom. Nice clear case. Cameras, nice and recessed. Again, lip on the front. I mean, you're not going to go wrong with this, are you? Let's slap on a battery pack. It does feel a bit. I can feel it slipping off. I can't feel that one. So I'm not going to take the chance. I don't want to be in the face again. So let's go ahead and do the weight test. 274 grams with that one. That might be one of my favourite cases that goes into the rotation permanently, and I probably will do a top 10 cases, so stay tuned for that. And obviously there is a full S25 Ultra playlist already, and there's more videos still to come. We've still got a hell of a lot to get through. I was hoping to wrap things up pretty quickly and move on to other stuff that I need to do, but we're just carrying on with the S25 Ultra for now. We need to get these cases done. And here is my all-time favourite case. I mean, I can't believe Caseology have gone, but I'm glad Spigen kept this going. Even if it was just for me. Thank you for keeping this going. Caseology, I don't think that I don't know whether they rejoined the team at Spigen or not, but if they did, you still owe me a blue suitcase. Just letting you know, you still owe me a blue Caseology/Spigen Nano Pop suitcase. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back many years when they put out a April Fool's. Little did they know that this fool right here wants that suitcase, even if it's a pull along. But let's go ahead. This has got air cushion technology built into the case. I'm so glad this is still here. So there it is. Nano Pop used to be a Caseology staple and is now here with Spigen. Thank God they decided to keep it. Nice clicky buttons, the grip texture on the sides here. It's fantastic. They put the Spigen logo on there. Spigen logo on the bottom right here. That yellow piping around the camera housing. And of course the camera's nice and recessed into the housing. And a lip around the front. 275 grams. I think I've just found my #1 case. Now, there's a lip that runs onto the edge right here. So it's obviously that yellow lip. So it sits off a little bit. But yeah, it's just ever so slightly. You can see it where it's slipped. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Spigen, again, thank you for saving this case. As I say, even if it was just for me, I doubt it was. I think there's some other people that absolutely love the Nano Pop case. Like nostalgia for me. Caseology were like one of the original companies to reach out and was like, we'll send you some cases over. So, you know, to have this in the rotation, the S25 Ultra, I'm quite happy with that. And this will be one that'll be on the phone a lot. I won't use it with another phone in my pocket because I don't want to scratch it up. I'll be using it when I'm just using the S25 Ultra on its own. But yeah, I mean, that's great. That is absolutely fantastic. So let me know which one was your favourite in the comment section down below. Which case would you be going for? Would you go for a clear? Do you want that Neo 1 case? Do you want a tough case with a stand, or do you prefer the Blueberry Navy Nano Pop? Let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favourite. I'm going to leave links to all Spigen's cases down below. I'll throw the Buds 3 Pro cases in there and the wallets as well. So there'll be a separate video coming soon with a Nano Pop case and the wallet, and then there's another wallet as well, so get ready for that video going live. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thank you to Spigen for sending all this over for us to check it out and for me to show you guys, and it's because of you guys, that's why they do it. So thank you again for sticking around. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, drop a sub if you loved it, and I'll see you basically tomorrow again, because we've got more videos that still need to be done. I've had a chance to even do this setup right here. That's how busy it's been. I haven't had a chance to sort any of this out, but hopefully by the weekend I'll have this all sorted out. This will look a little tiny bit different, a little bit more cleaner, and then we'll look at getting the lights and the sign just here. So get ready for that. Thanks guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.